I'm going to turn my childhood toy airplane into a World War I warbird for my daughter's first birthday. I was given this airplane by my grandma when I was very little. Like all childhood toys, parents and grandparents eventually say, "Get this out of my house." So that's how it ended up with me about 30 years later. My daughter took one look at it and said, "Cool, but it doesn't have any paint or a comfy seat." So I set out to redo it. As an inspiration, I remembered that Snoopy has a strong connection to the Sopwith Camel. As my toy plane is a biplane, this would be a perfect plane to model it after. I started getting the plane disassembled, and then sanded. I used this particular Sopwith Camel that was piloted by Flight Lieutenant Norman McGregor, a World War I British fighter ace that is credited with 7 aerial victories. I used paint that I purchased at Home Depot, trying to match the colors in historical photos and renderings. I grabbed a stencil from Hobby Lobby for the lettering and numbers, cleaned up the wheels, and got some upholstery and foam for the seat. And after a couple days and a steady hand, it was time to reassemble. I think it turned out great. Here's the before, and here's the after. Let me know what you think. My daughter seemed to approve.